Makita impact driver, XDT16. Forward, unscrew. This side here has a flashlight on and off, 4 different speeds. The button right here, anti-screw strip, and for the nuts and bolts right here. Wow, fast. Okay, will it unscrew it? Wow, that's easy. Let's do one setting one. Nice. So much slower, but more precision.
More precision, and then you don't strip out the wood.
Okay. All right, go back to fast mode. Wow. And for the consistency, will it pull it out? It went so deep. Wow. Metabo metal connector nailer. Electric. Okay, let's demonstrate. Oh wow, that's lined up so well.
See?
That is easy. With this little tip?
Yep. It depresses a little bit.
Oh wow, so then you have precision nailing.
Every time. And then when I put that board in, then I can just go straight in at an angle as well.
Wow.
So, very easy.
Okay, the butters goes in. And the nails.
And this will take 1.5 or 2.5
inches.
Inch nails.
Okay. Wow, that's easy. How do you release the nails? Press the button. Nice.
Yep.
And take the battery out. Sweet. What kind of battery we have? Flex wall 36, 18 volt, and full battery.
The on button is right here.
Oh, sweet. Okay.
Safety right here. And then a small rafter hook.
Okay, that's awesome. Beautiful.
And then there's additional safety, unlocked or locked. So.
Okay, the extra safety, so it won't press once you put on safety. Beautiful. Makita power station, air compressor, 2.5 gallon. Okay, let's see what it's all about. There's a leg, and we're gonna push it. Rolls. Nice.
Storage.
Ooh, storage, nice.
So
Okay.
you can put a whole bunch of stuff in there.
Okay, that's good. There's gauges, PSI, okay.
Comes with 2, plus the regulator.
Okay.
Here, vibration feet.
This is aerially sweet.
Fold it down.
Fold this down, okay, nice. And this is the wire or the hose? Okay.
Yeah, air hose. It comes with these for the holder.
Let's untie it, see what it looks like. Okay, and there's a power. Okay. Easy connect.
On switch.
The oil goes into here. Makita shop lock. Okay. The batteries goes in here. 18 volt. To open it, the cover, 2 latchets, lifts up. There's a filter. There's the bucket. Okay. This comes off, stretches out quite a bit. Very easy to put away the hose. There's a on. There's on 2. More powerful. Very powerful. Attachment right here set up. And then the nose. Also very powerful. Slide back in. Lock in. Nice. Milwaukee Packout bag. There's the Packout section of it. Okay. over the shoulder, strap, adjustable like that. Also easily removable, stone material, clip. Okay, unzips on both sides for easy access, like a tool bag. The bottom is plastic. Obviously we just have a few tools here. It can be a lot more tools. Couple wrenches, very nice. Okay, let's see how it goes onto other Packout tools. Locks in. Oh, also there's a pocket here and a pocket right here, a little bit bigger. For example, there's a like box cutter things, puts in here. Okay, there's a Packout organizer. This goes on top of it here, and now it's liftable. Wow, that is kind of cool. Liftable like this, all in one, over the shoulder, makes it really tall. That is a good idea to do. And there's a button, pulls out super easy, or add on to that bag, smaller one, and now really easy to carry it all together over the shoulder with a little another organizer, or put it on a rollout dolly. Just multi-use, love it. There's a cord, comes out this way, flexible cord and long, or there's a clip, battery, 18-volt battery. Locks back in. There's the on and off, and up and twist all the way around and down. Looks like there is a tripod mount as well. So camera adjust, it's really nice and bright. Got it here, Milwaukee torque lock fast setup. This lock right here, they advertise. Wow, with some kind of wrench or screwdriver, make it tighter. Let's open it and see what's about. Really easy to take them out, looks like. Okay, so unlocks right here. Ooh, this is definitely tight. Let's see if it's, oh yeah, it loosens up right here, and we can open it more and then lock it to something. That is cool. And then I guess we can tighten it even more with the screwdriver or untighten it. So with the screwdriver or pliers in this case, I'm gonna try to tighten it as hard as I can. Let's see. Yeah, but now it's really hard to push it together, so it's almost a lot easier to unscrew this part than pulling the whole thing out, and then it's easy. That is interesting, very unique. Same thing right here. Right now it's kind of easy to lock and unlock, but whatever, we're going to tighten it. Really hard. While it's locked in, it will be a little bit harder to open it. Wow. Woo. Very hard to open it. And same thing right here. So maybe it's a good idea to untighten it a little bit this way, open it, and it's super easy to adjust it. Very cool. So it is very easy to adjust and very easy to use other tools to lock it up, or just lock it in and tighten it up, and then use the pliers or screwdriver, tighten it up even more. Makita light looks really nice. Okay, I'm going to plug in the battery this way. Okay, the head movable all the way up, hook, nice. there's a light on, and there's 3 modes. We'll go in the dark. Wow, and all of them at once. 1, 2, 3. There's a spotlight, floodlight. Wow, this is nice. And spotlight and a floodlight all at once. That is awesome.